If you've ever been involved in a personal injuries action, you will have come across the Affidavit of Verification. An affidavit of verification is essentially a sworn statement by you, and you have this sworn on oath in front of a solicitor or a commissioner for oaths. You have to swear this affidavit of verification, essentially verifying the contents of a pleading or a reply. So, in a personal injury claim, you're going to have a personal injury summons. You are the plaintiff. You're going to have to swear an affidavit of verification that the assertions and information and allegations contained in that personal injury summons are, to the best of your belief and knowledge, true. And likewise, the defendant will have to do the same thing in respect of the defence that's filed, and there may also then be a notice for particulars seeking further information, further particulars of the claim. Again, when you are giving replies, you will have to swear an affidavit of verification that those replies are true to the best of your knowledge and belief. Essentially, an affidavit of verification then is required in a personal injuries action. It's also required in a defamation action in the High Court. That's not going to apply in the District Court or the Circuit Court because defamation actions are taken in the High Court. But a personal injuries action can be taken in the District Court, Circuit Court or High Court, and in each case you're going to have to swear an affidavit of verification. It's essentially in three parts. One is, I, the plaintiff, beg to refer to the contents of such and such a document, for example, the personal injury summons, or the defence if I'm the defendant, and that's sworn on a particular date. So you're referring to the contents of that document. Second paragraph then in your affidavit of verification is going to basically say that the assertions, allegations and information contained in the said document, said personal injury summons, for example, which are within my knowledge are true. I honestly believe that the assertions, allegations and information contained in the said personal injury summons, which are not within my knowledge, are true. So essentially you're swearing up to the facts and the allegations and the assertions that you make in the summons. And then finally you're going to say that you're aware that it's an offence to make a statement in the affidavit that it is false or misleading in any material respect, and it is an offence to make a statement in an affidavit that is false or misleading. You can be fined up to 100,000. I've never heard of it happening, but it's on the statute books. That's essentially the situation in relation to an affidavit of verification. You're verifying the contents of whatever it is you're asserting. You're verifying the contents of either a personal injuries summons, or perhaps a defence, or perhaps a series of replies, or you may be involved in a High Court defamation action, in which case, again, you're basically swearing up to the contents of the legal proceedings, the particular pleading that's entered and filed and served on the other side on your behalf. I hope you find this video useful. It's a short one, but an affidavit of verification is something that I see many people coming across regularly because they come in here to me to have it signed or witnessed. And obviously many people are involved in personal injury claims, and that's the most common occurrence of an affidavit of verification.